Deleted your file and have emptied recycle bin. Now worried about data recovery? Well then relax. Today in this video I will show you all how to get back permanently deleted file in PC using the best data recovery software for Windows. This works to recover photos, videos, documents, files and folders, even stuff deleted weeks or months ago, and yes, it's safe and legit. Hey folks, Max from WM Originals back with another data recovery tutorial. So without wasting much time, let's get started with Windows data recovery. And to recover permanently deleted files in Windows PC, we will be using Wondershare Recoverit. For first, we need to visit Wondershare Recoverit official website, and for that you can simply follow the links in the description and pinned comment, or you can also search for Wondershare Recoverit on Google. Now here click on the first link. This opens up Wondershare Recoverit official website. Now click try it free to download Wondershare Recoverit. Once Wondershare Recoverit free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Once installation gets completed, click start. Now here we have Wondershare Recoverit with all its features and capabilities. Here we get option to select location from where we want to recover deleted files in Windows PC. At first, in file recovery we get hard drives and locations. It shows local hard drive from Windows PC. Next, it will show external drives like SSD, external hard drive, pen drive or more if connected. Thereafter, in quick access we get option to recover data from disk image, desktop, select folder, recycle bin and OneDrive. Next, in file recovery we get SD card recovery that helps to recover permanently deleted files from SD card. Thereafter, in video photo restoration we get enhanced recovery that can recover photos and videos deleted permanently. Next, we get corrupted video repair option that helps to repair corrupted videos in Windows PC. We also get more recovery features like system crashed computer that can recover deleted files from crashed computer. In last, we get NAS and Linux that can recover deleted files from Linux system or NAS. False, we can do so much with Wondershare Recoverit, but today I wanna show you all how to recover permanently deleted file in Windows PC after emptying recycle bin using a live example. See, here I have folder My Documents in Drive E. It has a few photos and documents. Now let's delete it, and for that simply right click and select delete. Our deleted folder moves to recycle bin. Now let's empty recycle bin and permanently deleted files. For that simply right click and then select empty recycle bin. Here we get warning that it will permanently delete this folder. Click yes. See, our recycle bin is empty and our files are permanently deleted. Now let's move to Wondershare Recoverit. As we are looking to recover deleted files from Windows Drive E, click on this. Recoverit starts to scan for deleted file and within seconds will complete quick scan. It shows up data that is available to be recovered but will continue deep scanning to find more lost files. Close this and let's see if our deleted files are available after quick scan or not. First, we can also use filter to make data recovery more accurate, and for that in file status, let's select deleted files. Now it will only show files that were deleted from our selected drive. Let's check for our My Documents folder. See, here it is. Click to open. Wow, here we have documents and photos that we had just deleted. We can also preview them before recovery by clicking on this. Wow, our photo is fully recoverable. Well, we can also enable more features by upgrading to Wondershare Recoverit Pro plan. Well, we will talk about that a bit later in the video. Let's close this. Now to recover deleted files, select them one by one or can also select all by clicking on this. Thereafter, to recover permanently deleted files in PC, click recover. Now we get option to upgrade and get Wondershare Recoverit Premium. Here click buy. This opens a Wondershare Recoverit official website with different pricing plans. You can choose any of these plans as per your requirement, and once purchased, come back to Wondershare Recoverit. Now click login. Here we need to log in to Wondershare account that we had used to purchase plan. Once logged in, click recover. Now here we need to choose location where we want to save recovered files. Select drive D and then click recover. Wondershare Recoverit starts to recover deleted files in Windows PC, and once done, here we have confirmation 24 files recovered. Click open folder. Now browse through to look for recovered photos and documents. See, here we have all of them back. Let's open. Wow, our photos are fully recovered in their original size without losing quality. And that's it, your files are back safe and sound. Easy, effortless and affordable. I will highly recommend you all to try out Wondershare Recoverit if you are looking to recover permanently deleted file in Windows PC after emptying recycle bin. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in description and pinned comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also, share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to WMoriginals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Today I am testing Vidu, an AI video tool that turns text, images or even references into cinematic footage. And today I wanna show you all best free AI tool to summarize PDF files and chat with PDF document for free.